Welcome everybody, it's your boy Rome. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys again for watching the videos, commenting, sharing, sending it out there to the massive on the crew so that everybody can see it, represent, subscribe, everything. So today we're going to talk about a six pack, but more importantly, we'll be talking about four teams in the six pack who are in the Champions League. As you know, today is the end of the Champions League week, Wednesday. Liverpool, Tottenham played yesterday, Man City, Chelsea played today. So we'll talk about those games, talk about the results, and then get ready for the games, the Europa League games tomorrow, which is Arsenal and Man U. So first, Liverpool. And Liverpool started off this game needing a win, Barry. They need a win. They're back against walls, needing a win. And they got it. They got a 2-0 win. No, it was a brilliant goal from Trent Alexander-Arnold. Trent Alexander-Arnold was brilliant. It's a good way to react to it. People have been, criticizing him all season, and he deserves it. He deserves it. And I'll tell you right now, he still deserves it. He's been shit all season. I'm not a Liverpool fan, but he's been shit. But that goal, that free kick, David Beckham fam. David Beckham it was good. Brilliant free kick. But then Mohamed Salah start padding Merchant, basically. Him get a goal, penalty. That's all him getting. Because him can't score for saving mama life. What you doing, Salah? What you doing? What you doing, fella? What you doing, Salah? What you doing over there? But yeah, good win for Liverpool. It's gonna be go down to wire in this group, but it seems like Liverpool will make it as second team in the group because Napoli looks like a world killer. Next game, Tottenham. I don't know what to tell you about Tottenham. I thought Tottenham was going to be at top of the league this year. Thought Tottenham was going to be the world beater this year. But it looked like shit, living shit, fam. I don't know if it's a coach Conte that have them set up like some Bumblewall, or maybe it's the players don't know how Conte wants to play. That's why I don't play like Bumblewall. But I tell you right now, Tottenham is living shit, fam. The faster football is just dead. The game in nil all party. It wasn't worth the time we spend pushing through these channels. Every second I look through a different website for watch the game. It never worth it, party. It was not worth it. The man them slappy of Tottenham is shit. Was shit, is shit. And I will refine me top four. That's why I sit me some up bad. And then today we have Chelsea. The Chelsea game was good. Chelsea had 3 good goals. Very good goals. Aubameyang got a goal. I can't wait for Aubameyang to play. I can't wait for Chelsea to play Arsenal. It's gonna be a fun game. But yeah, that goal from James, sweet goal. Sweet goal. I'm not gonna lie, that boy, yo, that right foot that boy have fam. Chelsea hasn't been playing well this season. Just changed coach, the new manager, Graham Potter. Seems like he knows what he's doing, but give him time. But that goal from James and Rhys James, Jesus Christ, that was a sweet goal. Top corner, right above the keeper, couldn't touch it. The ball fired up on the ball and I kick it to blood. Fired up on the ball. Chelsea, good goal, I'm not gonna lie. 3-0. Now after the next round of games on the Premier League, good win. Man, Bumbleclad City. Man fucking City. They won 5-0. I mean, it was a team that wasn't of relevance, but with them cheap Man U last week, a 5-0 then get this week, so Man U worse than them. No, but yeah, that Man City. I don't know what gonna stop them. It's going to take one of the Premier League, the Champions League club to beat them because I don't want them to win the Champions League. But damn. All right, well, the 2 big sides are play tomorrow in the Europa League. Manchester United and Arsenal. Those are games that's final tomorrow. I'll talk about that tomorrow, plus the preview of the week 9, I think, of the Premier League preview show. We'll call it Premier League 6-pack. So make sure you're there for we, ready and waiting. Make sure you like the video, subscribe if you're brand new, share it to your friends and family. Bless up yourself, Manaz.